On March 15th, FC Barcelona is pushing to have the North Stand fully open under the Phase 1C license, boosting Camp Nou's capacity from 45,000 to 62,000. The 14,000-plus new seats are reserved for season ticket holders, and final safety checks are already underway. While City Council approval is still pending, the goal is to have everything ready for the Sevilla match. Before we dive into the latest construction updates, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Keep track of your support. Now let's head over and check out the latest construction updates. In the Tribuna sector, steady progress continues as glass panels are being installed across the first VIP ring, with some sections already completed and others awaiting aluminum framing. Concrete work is also ongoing to finalize the VIP floor slabs, while sandwich panels are now being installed in the Tribuna core, marking key progress in enclosing the structure. Overall, Tribuna is now moving from structural construction into the enclosure and finishing stage. Prefabricated seating installation in the third tier is progressing steadily, particularly across the Gol Norte section. Several seating modules are already in place, while cranes continue lifting additional units into position. Visible gaps are gradually being filled, and the seating layout is becoming more complete. Workers remain active across the upper levels, ensuring each section is properly aligned and securely installed as the third tier moves closer to completion. Concrete pump operations are actively reinforcing key structural zones, delivering concrete into critical joints and support points. These pours are strengthening pillar bases and upper structural connections that will support future loads. This phase plays a crucial role in preparing the stadium for continued vertical and roof-related construction. Elevator core construction continues advancing, with concrete slabs and structural walls now clearly visible across multiple levels. These vertical shafts are becoming more defined and will provide essential access between lower concourses, upper tiers, and VIP areas. Their steady progress highlights the ongoing development of the stadium's internal access and circulation systems. Facade support structures are progressing, with anchor points and mounting frames now installed across several exterior sections. These supports are being prepared for the future installation of ceramic lamella panels. Workers are completing alignment and finishing work to ensure accurate placement. This stage is essential for completing the stadium's exterior architectural identity. Compression ring construction continues with structural components and reinforced connections being installed across key areas. This ring will serve as the main support for the stadium's future roof system. Workers are focusing on strengthening connection points and ensuring precise alignment. Each completed section brings the stadium closer to supporting the full roof structure. We're now at the north goal section of the stadium. Workers are actively placing anchors on the lower sections, preparing the structure for upcoming installations. Some anchors are also being installed along the bracket areas, ensuring everything is aligned and secure. Moving upward, we see progress with the rock wool insulation being fitted in the upper parts of the corner structure. Embellecedors are also being installed, giving the area a more finished look. The glass panels continue to be placed steadily, with workers carefully securing each panel in its proper position. Workers are moving efficiently, and the area is being prepared for the upcoming seating installation. And that's it for today's update, everyone. The stadium is steadily taking shape, and there's plenty more to come in the next few days. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.